Did you know? Hands can carry up to 5 million bacteria per square centimeter. Just imagine that. Welcome to MedEd 360. Here we simplify medicine for all. Did you know that clean hands save lives? This National Handwashing Awareness Week, let's explore why hand hygiene is your first line of defense against infections. Our hands are the superhighway for germs. Every surface we touch, whether it may be doorknobs, phones, staircase railing, or even handshakes, can transfer bacteria and viruses. For this reason, proper hand washing is very important. It prevents the spread of common infections like colds, flu, and even serious diseases like COVID-19 or foodborne illnesses. Now let's talk about the science behind hand washing. Soap breaks down oils and dirt on our skin, while water rinses away germs. But it's not just washing. It's about washing the right way to be effective. After knowing the importance, let's discuss the 5 steps to proper hand washing. The first step is to wet your hands. Use clean, running water, warm or cold. Once your hands are wet, lather up. Apply soap and scrub palms, backs of hands, between fingers, and under nails for at least 20 seconds. Scrub thoroughly, and don't forget your thumbs and wrists. Watch this demonstration video for proper hand washing. After a good scrub, rinse well. Use running water to wash away all soap. At the end, dry your hands. Use a clean towel or air dry your hands. When should you wash your hands? Washing hands before eating or preparing food. After using the restroom or changing diapers. After coughing, sneezing. After touching pets or handling garbage. One quick tip for busy days. If you can't find soap and water, use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Make it a habit. Wash your hands regularly and encourage others to do the same. Clean hands are the foundation of good health. Let's make hand hygiene a priority, not just this week, but every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips here on MedEd 360. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.